My name is Grace McGee, and I work at Cummins as a quality engineer within the New Power business unit. I started out in the manufacturing development program, so I was really honored to get that opportunity. It's a 2-year program, and you do 4 rotations, 6 months each over the 2 years in different sections of the business. So it really benefited me to figure out what I wanted to do with my industrial engineering degree. Prior to that, I never would have thought I would be in the manufacturing plant, but I really enjoy it. Even though I'm the newest person on the team, it really doesn't feel like I'm the newbie that doesn't know anything. We're all really learning together. And so having that culture is invaluable. I've really enjoyed it. It's an honor to be part of the ever-changing technology. I've always had an attachment or an interest in creating a better world for tomorrow. And so the fact that Cummins is really leading the way in this space and that I could be a part of it was really attractive to me.